Alright, so I just got my hunting bow today. Got the Mach 30 DS. Got it in the gray with the Sitka limbs in 70 pounds. Pretty hyped about it. I haven't been hunting in a couple years now. I used to be really big into it, but just since I've been at college, it's taken up a lot of my time, and with target archery as well. But it's my last semester of college. I'm going to be graduating this spring and I want to get back into hunting. So I figured I'd order one of these. One of the coolest bows on the market, in my opinion, or if not the coolest looking bow. Pretty excited about this. Got everything I need to set it up here to the right, and yeah, gonna try to kill turkey this spring, and then over the summer I want to try to go to at least one total archery challenge event, since that's where all the cool kids are going. Figured might join the club, make a video out of it. My friend Kevin and Sam want to go. So I'm super excited to see if I can get to one of those this summer. And then this fall, Kevin and I are going out to Idaho, try to kill a mule deer. It's something I've been wanting to do, go out west hunting. So it's gonna be pretty cool. So, but I needed a bow for that, and I got it right here. So we're gonna go set it up, and then I'm gonna take it out to the range tomorrow, hopefully, if the weather cooperates. If not, on Monday, I'll be taking it out. So let's get started. so I have my Mach 30 set up. I'm gonna get it sighted in. I have the calibration tape set up on the UV slider. So I'm gonna get a 20-yard mark real quick, and then I'm gonna adjust the tape here just by moving it up until the 20-yard lines up with this indicator. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get a 60-yard mark, and then figure out what sight tape I need. And then my plan is shoot a little bit here on the flat range, and then shoot a couple of field targets on the field range, and see how I do. So let's get sighted in. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set the 20-yard mark to match up with the indicator there. So what I'm gonna do is undo these set screws just a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and slide this up. Looks like right there is good. So I'm just gonna tighten these in. Tighten down the bottom. That's probably not good. Okay. And looks good there. So go ahead and get a 60-yard mark and then figure out what sight tape I need. All right, so I just got sight in for 60 yards. I'm gonna need the 15 sight tape on the sight tapes that are included in the package from UltraView. So I'm gonna have to peel this one off and then put it on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I finished putting on my sight tape. I had the 60-yard indicator lined up with the middle pin because the middle pin is fixed. So I sighted in everything using the middle pin. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set my top pin. I'm gonna move the indicator till it hits, and then the bottom as well. All right, so I just got my first and third pin sighted in. I'm gonna go head out on the field course and shoot a couple targets. So I just wrapped up shooting the field course. Overall, I'm very happy with how the bow is shooting. Not a whole lot I want to change. This week, I did notice when I was out there, I was getting some left and rights, and here on the range as well. So I know it's not like my third axis being off or anything like that, or my first axis. So what I think it is, I'm going to try moving my sight bar in and out. The reason why I got the standard mount versus the Picatinny mount was because I wanted to be able to torque tune the bow. So I think I'm going to try pushing it out a notch, and I'll shoot at distance. I'll hang up a vertical line and purposely torque the bow left and right and move the sight in and out until when I torque the bow left and right, the arrow still hits the center. So if you don't know what torque tuning is, eventually I'll make a video, but there's a ton of articles online and other people have made videos. So for now, just type in torque tuning on like YouTube or Google and something will pop up, but I will make a video one day on that. It's on the list. But overall, super happy. Shot really well out there. I mean, for the first day having the bow and just making the sight tape, it met my expectations. I was thrilled. I did notice that my third pin was a little bit off, so I'll shoot it again here soon and get my third indicator set exactly right. It was like a yard off, so not a big deal. Still would have killed an animal, so. But I can't wait to take this bow out in the woods. Turkey season's coming up in, I think it's April, May, something like that. And my friend Kevin and I are gonna go out and try to get a turkey. I've never shot a turkey with a bow. I've shot him with a 12 gauge, but I've never shot one with a bow, so it's on my bucket list. So I'm excited. So next up is getting some broadheads, and yeah, I don't know anything about that. So you guys will be along for the journey, figuring out what broadheads I'm going to use this season, and yeah, can't wait to make more of these videos. Thanks for watching.